Hello bachcho, let's read this question. The question says a parallel plate capacitor is charged and the charging battery is then disconnected. If the plates of the capacitor are moved farther apart by means of insulating handles, the charge on the capacitor increases, the voltage across the plates increases, the capacitance increases, and the electrostatic energy stored in the capacitor increases. So the key concept of this question is charging of capacitor. तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या गिवन है कि हमारे पास एक कैपेसिटर है, पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर, और उसको हमने चार्ज किया, फिर उसे पूरा चार्ज करके हमने बैटरी क्या कर दिया, डिस्कनेक्ट। तो अब हमें ये फॉलोइंग ऑप्शंस गिवन है, इसमें से हमें चेक करना है कि कौन सा ऑप्शन जो है वो कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करेगा। तो सबसे पहले हम एक कैपेसिटर कंसीडर करते हैं। लेट अस कंसीडर कैपेसिटर ऑफ कैपेसिटेंस C. So we have two plates in it. One is negatively charged and other one is positively charged. And we can write its capacitance as C is equals to A epsilon naught upon D. This is the formula of capacitance. Also, Q is equals to C into V. अब इससे हम V क्या लिख सकते हैं, जो पोटेंशियल है Q बाय C. And last one is electrostatic energy. So electrostatic energy is denoted by U, which is equals to Q square divided by 2C. तो अब हमें इन तीन फॉर्मूले से चेक करना है कि कौन सी चीज जो है वो कांस्टेंट रहेगी और जो कौन सी चीज है वो सेम रहेगी। सो फर्स्ट वन, उन्होंने क्या बोला है कि द चार्ज ऑन द कैपेसिटर इंक्रीजेस, और हम क्या कर रहे हैं, प्लेट्स के बीच में जो सेपरेशन है वो क्या कर रहे हैं, इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं। प्लेट्स के बीच में सेपरेशन इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं। सो if the plates of the capacitor are moved farther apart, so let this is capacitance C and D is its plate separation. So if D is increased, we know C is equals to A epsilon naught divided by D. So if D will increase, then C will decrease. You can check from this formula. तो हमारा capacitance जो होगा, जो न्यू capacitance होगा वो क्या होगा, decrease. But what is given in question option number C, that capacitance increases. तो हमारा ऑप्शन C जो है वो क्या है, गलत। अब हमें पता है by conservation of charge, we know that the charge will remain conserved. So Q initial will be equals to Q final. And as the charge is conserved, so it will neither increase or decrease. So Q will be constant after the battery is disconnected. But in option number 1, it is given that the charge on the capacitor increases. So this option will be incorrect because charge will be constant. Third part, the capacitance increases. This is also incorrect because the capacitance decreases. Now, as Q is equals to C into V. So we know Q is constant. This one is constant. C is decreasing. So by this formula, we can have V is equals to Q over C. So if C is decreasing, then V will increase because हमारा जो चार्ज है वो कांस्टेंट है। तो अगर C हमारा डिक्रीज करे तो V क्या होगा, इंक्रीज करेगा। So what is given in option number 3, the voltage across the parallel plates increases. So this option is correct. Now option number B correct. Now last, D option. D option is about electrostatic energy. So electrostatic energy is given by U is equals to Q square डिवाइड बाई 2 इंटू सी. अब हमें पता है कि जो हमारा Q है वो क्या है, कांस्टेंट. सो जो C है हमारा कैपेसिटेंस जो है वो डिक्रीज कर रहा है, एंड U is inversely proportional to capacitance. So if C is decreasing, so U, that is electrostatic energy, will increase. Okay, let's check the fourth part. The electrostatic energy stored in the capacitor increases. So this is correct option. So option B and D are correct. D is also correct. I hope you understood it well. All the best for your future.